So, nandito na kami sa Pier 88. Dito kami nagpa-reserve for Dada's special day. Father's Day celebration namin. Dito sa Pier 88. Lalakad lang kami, papunta sa front. Ito yung pinaka-front ng Pier 88. I think our friends is here. Oh. Hello! Hello, Sister Lee! Good to see you.
Who are the other three?
They're
Get surprise
coming.
for
They're
you.
on their way. Hello,
Yeah.
bro! So,
So we just
Norita.
Oh my God.
Norita got
Bote.
lost.
Oh, thank you.
Norita got lost. She's still in the freeway. But she'll be here in about 10-15 minutes, right?
Oh, that's perfect.
And then who else? Lady D?
No, she can't make it because the sister is here, remember, for the whole.
Oh, yeah.
And then Merce is back in Las Vegas. So Kevin and Hanny
Honey.
will be here.
Oh,
Okay.
good.
Okay.
What happened to your left eye?
So nandito na kami sa loob ng restaurant for Father's Day celebration. Happy Father's Day din po sa inyong lahat. At ito, ready na kami kumain. Pakita ko lang sa inyo ang aming lamesa. So this is Dada. Dada, Happy Father's Day, Dada. My beautiful friends.
Happy Father's Day, Kuya Bossy. That's our Kuya Bossy.
Thank you.
Happy Father's Day. Okay, so we ordered this. They call it feast. Ayan, it has a lobster, crabs, oh my gosh, crawfish, crab legs, corn, potatoes, shrimp. So we ordered the feast. And I also ordered extra crawfish. And there's Kevin. Kevin. That's the celebration today.
Happy Father's Day.
And there's Honey. Okay, so calamari. My beautiful friend Lori.
Hi, hello.
Happy She's
Happy
busy.
Father's Day, boy.
Okay, so we're just gonna eat for now. And I hope you guys are also celebrating your Father's Day. And see you guys later. Bye.